guys, my name is Jenwin Escondangan and I'm from Home Economics 1. I'm here to discuss my top 10 tips for effective communication. Some tips is don't show negative body language. As the saying is, the first impression is the last impression. Hence, you should always be careful when it comes to body language. Number 2. Do not interrupt other person. It's very rude to interrupt a person while they are speaking. Nobody likes to be interrupted because it hampers the food process. It is disrespectful. If you have to make an interruption and it is necessary for you to speak at the exact moment, then you need to make gentle interruption. Ask the person if you can interrupt him or her and say sorry, and whatever you want to say must justify your interruption. Think before you speak. Another adage that perfectly describes this point is look before you leap. You should think how your words are going to affect the person with whom you are communicating before you making any moments. That means you should try to connect with the feelings of the other person in order to show that you genuinely care about the conversation that is going between the two of you. Listen well. The ability to listen to what a person is saying it's itself a skill, and you should focus on that while communicating with others. If you have a good listening skill, you will be able to understand the person's word more clearly and react in a positive manner. If it will also send a signal to other person that you care about what she has to say. 5. Be defensive or attacking. Be natural. Some people tend to get defensive or attacking during conversation. You do not have to get overexcited when someone points out your mistake and get defensive or attack them. Be natural and transparent so that you can understand what is actually being discussed. Always maintain that balance in the conversation so that everyone's involved in the discussion has a fair part in it. Number 6. Don't debate. Always try to stick to the topic of discussion to maintain the relevancy of the communication process. There is no need to bring something totally unrelated to the discussion and waste the time of the people involved. If you debate away from the topic, the whole idea of the conversation becomes less meaningful. Be confident of your ideas. You should always be confident of what you are speaking and should take ownership of your words. Will increase the trust the other people have in you and make the conversation flow more freely. Be open to receiving feedback. Sometimes it is good to step back and be receptive to feedback. Communication is a two-way process and it should be remain like that. You should be able to open up to feedback from the other person and give honest feedback whenever you feel it is needed. 9. Use the right communication method. Communication may not necessarily always be verbal and should understand the different types of situation as per different methods. You should know which type of communication method will be more effective. Location is also an important point to remember. Different types of communication need different location. Shake hands firmly. The last but not the least important tip is how you shake hands when you introduce yourself. Give a firm handshake but do not make it a tight one, and also do not squeeze. A weak handshake may indicate lower self-confidence.